Fam, we have to talk about that heavy scene from the latest episode of Uthando Nesthembu. But before we do that, Nonk Williams' man has come out here with what seems to be a mini statement of some sort, clearing rumors of him being married. He wrote, Lungani Ramaledi is not married and he was never married to his ex-girlfriend Sneh. And Nonk Williams is not the reason for Lungani Ramaledi to separate with his ex-girlfriend Sneh, and the ex-girlfriend knows it. So there we have it. This man is not a married man. Nonk Williams is no homewrecker. These people are just having the time of their life, loving on each other and stuff, you know. Meanwhile, Beverly Stein, who Nonk Williams owes a substantial amount of money, came out here saying she accepts Nonku's apology, but she's proceeding with her legal team because obviously Nonku hasn't paid her. So they will end up in court if Nonku doesn't settle her debt. Now back to the Mselekos, that heavy scene. Mseleko and his family have been back for a hot minute, and already he's shocking us. This man had a sit down with his daughter Mpilo, right? The conversation starts out about family legacy.
Into ekhathaza uMpilo ukubona for the first time mina ngingayenzi into esho uma wami. Ave leyo nto bengiyenze esho uma wake ngoba I was less of a man. Ingoba ngifuna ukwakha lo muzi. Manje uMakhumalo took an advantage of that. Until uMakhumalo abe kuma senses akhe ukuthi waza ukuzogana la kaMseleko. Then siyozibona izinto zishintsha. Futhi ave siyozilungisa izinto. Kuyozenzakalela kona. Uma ngabe uMakhumalo esagibelele yashi lela gibelile i-high horse.
What?
Ngeke sikwazi. Because mina kusho ukuthi fanele ngifake iskate ngizwe ngaye yena afake ibhluku.
I don't know, angazi
but
so.
manje usuthe ukhathele kanti iziseningi izinto engifuna ukuyichela.
Vele futhi uzisho zonke mhlambe baba uzilay on the table.
Say your piece, sir. Let it all out.
Vele uzisho.
Bekade ngiphusha ukuthi uMacela anginikeze ulwandle ukuthi ulwandle angimfake esiswini saka Makhumalo. Leyo nto ayihambanga kahle ngoba uMacela akavumanga.
But things get real very quickly as Musa starts talking about the need to protect and step up for Makhumalo's house. Now, we all know the history here. Makhumalo's struggles with fertility has been a central part of her story. And there is an alternative, it's just that Mseleko is blocking Makhumalo from doing that, which is IVF. But since this man is selfish, he doesn't want to go that route. He's talking about, oh, he's a traditional man, yada yada, whatever he's saying. His solution to this, that is the most insensitive and, I'd say disgusting, for lack of better words, things this man has ever said on the show. He's looking at his daughter Mpilo to fill that gap. Basically, Musa told Mpilo that grandkids are the only way to ensure the family's continuity. Now I'm like, this man is a hypocrite because this is the very same man who doesn't want Sneh's kids because he's saying that Sneh's kids are not Mseleko's by blood. But he's out here telling Mpilo to have kids, to continue Makhumalo's legacy. Like, what the hell?
So if usingayitholi solution, then wena ukuze umuzi waMakhumalo ungafi, you must step up.
Anyway, Mpilo, who we all know is Makhumalo's bonus daughter and loves her to death, is sitting there looking completely blindsided. She literally asked him, wait, are you saying I should marry and have kids? And Musa, without blinking, tells his daughter that he wants those grandkids.
So my man ngishada umuntu nami.
No, angikhulumi ngokushada.
Oh.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi umuzi uprotectwa ngabantu.
Abantu njani ingane?
Yeah.
And Pilo's reaction was honestly all of us watching from home. She called the whole situation insane, and she further went on to say she feels like she's on the bench for this one.
I don't understand what's happening right now. I don't understand what's happening right now because what?
What do you mean, Baba?
I'm so sorry, Anklek, it's just the thoughts is
Overwhelming.
no, it's insane to me.
Imagine being told by your father that your future kids are already being auctioned off to settle a family legacy issue that you didn't create. Also, why would Musa discuss Makumalo's legacy without Makumalo? Again, what father in their right mind says such to their daughter?
Mhlawumbe ubaba feels like he's at the last straw and now he has to now call me in, but hey, not me, coach. Hey, not me. I'm on the bench for this one. I'm so sorry. I also don't want to ukuthi ngisingene ekhulumeni lento efika ukuthi kwanaye uvo lwakhe alokhu etafuleni.
Yes, my baby, you tell him. Imagine.
I've never had an explicit conversation with Uma. I would say, girl, do you want me to bet it for you? She would rather roll over and die for me to do such a thing on her behalf.
That's right, baby girl. I would rather die than to have you do that. Ha!
With regards to ingane, out it's not possible.
Now let's look at what people are saying on the socials, because there was a buzz after this ad. One said, Mseleko is really losing the plot. How can you ask your daughter such nonsense? I think he's totally overstepping by putting this kind of pressure on Bilo, and it's not fair to keep bringing up Makumalo's fertility. But anyway, I would like to hear what your thoughts are on all of this, so let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.